Yes, be ready. Start. We are lucky in having this centenary of the posts and telegraphs soon after having celebrated the centenary of the Indian Railways stop. It is on occasions like this that one gets an opportunity of looking back and assessing the past achievement and also planning for the future stop. It is indeed gratifying that these important occasions have synchronized with our 5 year plan stop. You will agree that correct stock taking is the essential prerequisite of sound planning, and I do not think anything could make for sounder planning in the field of posts and telegraphs than the celebration of this centenary and organizing this exhibition stop stanza in the context of scientific progress and amenities of modern life. We are accustomed to think of India as a young country stop. The fact that we became masters of our affairs at home only 6 years ago tends to confirm this impression stop. In reality, this impression is an illusion to allay which it will be necessary to know the facts about the growth and development of telecommunications in India stop. Stanza 100 years ago, telegraph lines began to radiate from Calcutta, which was then India's capital stop. Actually, the beginning had been made in this direction 14 years earlier in 1839 when an Englishman, Dr. Smith, completed on his own and without official assistance about 21 miles of telegraphic line proceeding from Calcutta in direction of Diamond Harbour stop. It was, however, in 1851 that the first telegraph line to carry traffic was constructed between Calcutta and Diamond Harbour stop. The next 2 years may be said to be a period of experimentation stop. Towards the end of 1853, the experimental stage ended and countrywide expansion of telegraph traffic was planned stop. The first line to be taken in hand was between Calcutta and Agra in November 1853 stop. Since then, our telegraph services have gone on expanding in all directions stop. Stanza. There are not many countries in the world which could trace back in the history of their channels of communications so far back stop. From the very beginning, these services were government owned, and it is now recognized that the Indian Posts and Telegraphs is the oldest government owned public utility in the world stop. It is a fact of which we can all be legitimately proud. The Indian Posts and Telegraphs Department for its great strides since the pre-unity stop